Hello guys, what's up? This is Leslie and I'm so happy for another video. So today's video I'm gonna do a little kind of haul and review of the brand SoundCloud. So I'm a brand ambassador with them, but this is not gonna be a biased video. I'm gonna give my honest opinion on their products and how to choose the sizes and all of that. This brand donates 10% of their profits to help marine life, and you can also follow them on their social media, which I'm gonna give you right here. And you can see on their Insta stories what they do to help the marine life. They visit the centers where they help different kind of animals, and it's really fun to watch them. So yeah, I hope that you really like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more of my next videos. And you can use my code to get I think it's 25% off of your purchase. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy watching this. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to start out with the clothing, and this is the first item that I got from them, and it is this super cute shirt. It looks like this from the front, and I'm sorry if it's a little bit wrinkled. And then on the back it has this cute design. They have different kind of designs, and you can go to their website and look at all the different shirts that they have. So I ordered this one on a medium, and it fit perfectly. It fit perfectly to me, and I'm gonna try it on just so that you guys see how it looks like. So it looks something like this. It has their logo right here, and sometimes I like folding the sleeves up. And then on the back it has the cute design. So you can see this is a medium size, and it fits perfectly to me. And so I thought that every time that I ordered a medium, it would fit good. And this brand is unisex, so it is for boys and girls. Then the next shirt that I got from them was these long sleeves, and this was a limited edition to support a breast cancer campaign. So where they were raising profits for people who suffer from breast cancer, and that's why it's this pink. But it didn't look like the picture on the website. I don't think I will be able to find that picture anymore since they don't have it. It was a limited edition. And first I wanted this one on a burgundy color, but then I was like, okay, so it's for a good cause, so I'm gonna get it in a pink color. And what I really like about this kind of shirt is the SoundCloud name on the back. I really like how it looks like, but I didn't like the color, and since I ordered this one on a medium, I thought this was gonna fit perfect, but it was too big for me. Okay, so it looks like this. The only thing I don't like about it is I feel like the sleeves are like a little bit too baggy, too big, but if you like to be more comfy, then I think maybe a size up will be really good. And I don't like the pink color. It's too bright. I just don't like pink at all. But yeah, and then the design on the back. This is the design on the back. I think it looks super cute. In the future I will get this style but in burgundy color. I give you the link in the description box if you want to check it out. It's really pretty. And this is the third shirt that I got from them. This is on a black acid wash style. And I saw on an Instagram story from a girl who was wearing this kind of shirt, but it was a long sleeve, and it looked really cute. So I decided to get it, and it also has the style on the back, the SoundCloud name, which I really liked. But again, I thought that medium was my size, and I ordered it in a medium, but it's way too big and too baggy. But I guess it can be more like a comfy shirt just to be at home. So this is how the shirt fits. I also like rolling the sleeves up because I feel like it's too baggy for me, and then it's like too long. And then what I really like is the pocket right here, and they have the usual logo on this side. And I really like the color. I feel like in the camera it's gonna look a little bit like bluish, but it's a black acid wash. And then the design on the back is like this. So overall for this shirt, I liked it, but I would rather have a small. I think it would have fit better. Another of the first products that I got from them was this cute hat, and it has a whale tail on the bottom as a design, and then they have their name on the back. and I've used this a couple of times. I don't wear hats that much, but I used it a couple of times, and it looks like this. Especially now that I have bangs, I don't like how they look on me. On the back, you can make it bigger or smaller depending on your head if it's big or not. It's a really nice material, and also all of the shirts that I showed you, they're a really nice material. They're like cotton and they're very soft, very comfy. But yeah, I've seen those hats on the website on burgundy and black color, and those look really pretty. Yeah, I've received like really good compliments about it. Next is probably one of my favorite products from that store. It's a cute water bottle. It says SoundCloud right here. They have like, it's like a sticker kind of thing. It's a glass water bottle because they want to support marine life, and it's better for the environment to have glass instead of plastic. And here it says save the fishes, and that's kind of like the slogan of this brand. And it is kind of a wood material on top. And I've had like so many compliments about this water bottle, because usually I put water and some fruit in it, and then I have like kind of a detox water, and I take it to school and work. So yeah, I always have it like outside with me. It is, I think, $17. It's kind of expensive, but it is because it's glass. And the last thing that I got from SoundCloud is this cute backpack. I love the pattern that it has. It is like a green leaves style, and I use it for school, and I really like the fact that it's like really big backpack where you can fit a lot of things in here, and it has like a little compartment for your laptop, especially me that I'm studying computer engineering as a major, and I always need to have my laptop with me at school, so I really like that I can carry it here and protect it. And then it has a zipper right here, it has another compartment, and here I just save like my headphones and pencil, like a bunch of things right here. Really cute. This is also one of my favorites so far. I've also got so many compliments about it. And you can fit anything that you want to here. I think it's like a really good size. And on the front they have their whale tail design in here. And every time that I bought something from them, I also get some whale tail pins. I got a blue whale tail, a pink whale tail, and some stickers. They also sell them separately if you want to get them. And I'm gonna try to link everything in the description box if you want to get any of this or just check it out. And I really like the fact that they help marine life. This is a totally honest video. This is not a sponsored, and I'm not receiving any money from them for making this video. It's just that I really like when stores and companies care about animals and just the world that we live in. So I wanted to share with you guys what they do and the cute products that they have. So let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite product, and if you decide to get any of these things or anything from their website. I'm gonna try to link everything down below in the description box. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you really like it. If you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and activate the notifications button so you don't miss any of my next videos. So yeah, I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.